Welcome to Immigration Insight, your source for the latest updates and expert discussions on immigration law. I'm your host, Harry, and today we're discussing some important news for Lebanese nationals currently in the United States. The U.S. Department of Homeland Security has announced new actions that could provide temporary immigration relief, including work authorization and the ability to stay in the U.S. temporarily. Joining me is immigration attorney Shah Peerally to explain what this means for affected individuals. What exactly is DED and who qualifies for it?
DED, or Deferred Enforced Departure, is a protection granted by the President, allowing individuals to remain in the U.S. even if they don't currently have lawful status. President Biden announced in July that Lebanese nationals could apply for DED, which will run through January 25, 2026. As of now, eligible Lebanese nationals can apply for Employment Authorization Documents, or EADs, which will let them legally work during this period.
And what about TPS, temporary protected status? How is it different from DED?
TPS is a bit different. It's granted when the Secretary of Homeland Security determines that conditions in a country prevent its nationals from safely returning home. In this case, Lebanon is facing ongoing armed conflict and extraordinary conditions, making it dangerous for nationals to return. The new TPS designation will allow eligible Lebanese nationals who have been continuously residing in the U.S. since October 16, 2024, to apply for this status, which will protect them from deportation for the next 18 months. One important point: Lebanese nationals who entered the U.S. after October 16th won't be eligible for TPS, so it's crucial to know the cutoff dates and understand eligibility before applying.
What does this mean for Lebanese nationals who are F1 students? Are they eligible for this relief?
Yes, good question. The DHS has also introduced a special student relief notice for F1 non-immigrant students from Lebanon. This allows these students to request work authorization and work more hours than normally permitted, even while school is in session. Plus, they can reduce their course load and still maintain their F1 status during the DED designation period. This could be a game changer for the 1,740 Lebanese F1 students currently in the US, because it offers greater flexibility in supporting themselves while they complete their studies.
That's a substantial number of people. What should Lebanese nationals do next if they think they might qualify?
First, stay informed. More information about the TPS process will be available in a forthcoming Federal Register notice, which DHS plans to publish soon. Don't apply for TPS until this notice is released. But for those eligible under DED, you can already start applying for work authorization by filing Form Y-765. It's important to remember that each case is reviewed individually by USCIS, so make sure your application is complete and you meet the criteria. If you're unsure about your eligibility or need help with the process, it's always a good idea to consult with an experienced immigration attorney.
Thanks for breaking that down for us, Shah. It sounds like an important opportunity for Lebanese nationals currently in the US to get some peace of mind during these challenging times. That's it for today's episode. If you have questions about this or other immigration matters, be sure to check out our website at peerallylaw.com or reach out by calling 510-7425-887. We're here to help. Stay tuned for more episodes of Immigration Insight. I'm Harry, and we'll see you next time.